Who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution? Answer: B.R. Ambedkar. How many schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? Answer: 12. The President of India is elected by. Answer: elected members of Parliament and state legislatures. Fundamental duties were added to the Constitution by. Answer: 42nd Amendment. Which article deals with the right to equality? Answer: Article 14 to 18. Who appoints the Chief Justice of India? Answer: President. The first Law Minister of Independent India was. Answer: B.R. Ambedkar. Which part of the Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Answer: Part 3. The idea of directive principles was borrowed from which country? Answer: Ireland. The preamble was amended by which Amendment Act? Answer: 42nd Amendment. Which article of the Constitution deals with the abolition of untouchability? Answer: Article 17. Which part of the Constitution deals with directive principles of state policy? Answer: Part 4. The term secular was added to the preamble by 42nd Amendment. The concept of judicial review in India is borrowed from. Answer: USA. The minimum age to contest in the Lok Sabha election is. Answer: 25 years. Who is the custodian of the Indian Constitution? Answer: Supreme Court. The Rajya Sabha can have a maximum of. Answer: 250 members. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act is related to. Answer: Panchayati Raj. What is the tenure of the President of India? Answer: 5 years. How many languages are listed in the 8th schedule? Answer: 22. The Union Public Service Commission (UPSC) is mentioned in which article? Answer: Article 315. Money bill can be introduced only in. Answer: Lok Sabha. Who presides over the joint sitting of Parliament? Answer: Speaker of Lok Sabha. Which amendment reduced the voting age from 21 to 18? Answer: 61st Amendment. Which article gave special status to Jammu and Kashmir? Answer: Article 370. Who was the first President of India? Answer: Rajendra Prasad. The Supreme Court of India was established in. Answer: 1950. Who is the constitutional head of the state government? Answer: Governor. The emergency provisions are borrowed from. Answer: Germany. Which article deals with the amendment of the Constitution? Answer: Article 368. The right to education is granted under. Answer: Article 21A. Who can dissolve the Lok Sabha before its term ends? Answer: President. Anti-defection law is related to which schedule? Answer: 10th schedule. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? Answer: Vice President. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Answer: Right to property. What is the minimum number of judges required to hear a case involving the interpretation of the Constitution? Answer: 5. The concept of a written constitution is borrowed from. Answer: USA. Which body conducts elections in India? Answer: Election Commission. Which article deals with the impeachment of the President? Answer: Article 61. Who has the power to make laws on Union list? Answer: Parliament. Which schedule contains provisions for administration of tribal areas in Assam? Answer: 6th schedule. How many types of emergencies are there in the Indian Constitution? Answer: 3. The concept of single citizenship is taken from. Answer: England. The maximum strength of the Lok Sabha is? Answer: 550. 45 in India, the residuary powers lie with? Answer: Union government. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution? Answer: B.R. Ambedkar. And the Supreme Court of India consists of how many judges, including the CJI, as of 2025? Answer: 34. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India? Answer: Chief Justice of India. Which article guarantees the right to constitutional remedies? Answer: Article 32. Which one of the following committees was related to Panchayati Raj? Answer: Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. How many did you guess correctly? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quizzes from Focus to Finish.